It's smack dab the beginning of December, and I'm outside here late at night. Why, you ask? Well, I'm going to be going to a race quad event. A race quad event? It's the middle of the night. How are they going to see? Well, that's where this comes in. I'm standing right outside the White Pines Golf Dome, which is actually right near O'Hare. And why a golf dome? Well, they usually close at night. There's plenty of open space inside, which makes it perfect for flying quads. Yes, we're right near O'Hare Airport here in Chicago, Illinois. And as a quad pilot myself, you pretty much strive to stay far away from airports because you don't want to know you don't want to get in trubs. So I'm excited. Let's go head inside. This is really impressive. There's so much room for activity. There's plenty of space here to race in. This is amazing. Alright, so right now they're all getting set up and getting ready to go. Course is all finished. Getting quads on the pad, ready to take off. And do a practice run first.
3, 2, 1, go! Good time.
Pretty sick. They're nice and comfortable too.
And Troy, the one, he's like one of the known aerial guys in Chicago, the drone media Chicago.
Really?
He's like he won like an award, I think this year.
Really?
Yeah, we're doing he has like really cool shots in Chicago. Yeah.
Made it through 3 solid gates.
It's high five worthy, but I don't want to think you got a handful going on there. Today marks the first meetup of this season, so if you're in the area, come check us out. I'll put the link in the description below. And like I said, if you're nearby, come by and check us out. What would a race quad event be without a DJI Mavic and a Millennium Falcon?
You didn't hear us. Oh my God, that's big.
It'd still be a race quad event, but not as cool.
Group 1, Kevin Keens, Max, Jared, Kevin Lee.
So that's going to wrap it up for today. I hope you like what you see. If you did like what you see here, consider subscribing and liking this video. Don't forget to check out the links below. There's going to be plenty of information on where to come to this event. It's a great hobby to get involved. Can't recommend enough. Don't forget, if you do have the gear and you're nearby in Illinois, come check us out here. Today marks the first So this is the check us out.